When selecting a Topeak BeamRack II, they have three options. A-rack points upward, E-rack juts straight out, and the V-rack slants down. Which is best? In general, they are frame size specific. The needs of your bike design may call for any one of the three options given your current storage setup. So again, choosing the right Topeak MTX BeamRack II, it's not just about the frame size, it's also about ensuring compatibility with your existing bike setup, like saddlebags or built-in rack. Let's break down the AV and E types and what to consider. First up, the A-type beam rack. It's designed by Topeak for smaller frames. It aims for proper clearance on bikes with lower seat posts. However, be aware that a more compact design means it might also interfere with larger saddlebags or seat post mounted storage. Next, the V-type beam rack 2. This rack is engineered for larger frames. It provides ample length for 29ers or bikes with higher seat posts, but its longer, often lower profile can be an issue because if your bike has a built-in rear pannier or integrated fenders, this type might interfere with those factory features. And finally, the E-type. This is Topeak's choice for medium-sized frames. It offers a good balance, providing sufficient clearance without being excessively long or short. For many bikes, it's the best solution when other accessories are involved, like built-in racks. It avoids the interference issues that are often found on the Type A and the Type V BeamRack IIs. So in choosing yours, consider these three basic factors. The A-type is best for smaller. The E-type is the most versatile. The V-type is for larger frames, but verify that it clears integrated racks or fenders.